What's the sound? It's a horse. The horse is a farm animal. The horse has 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen. What's the sound? This is a sheep. The sheep is a farm animal. Listen. What's the sound? This is a hen. The hen is a farm animal. How many legs does it have? It has 2 legs. The hen gives us eggs and meat. What's the sound? It's a duck. The duck is a farm animal. The duck has 2 legs. What's the sound? This is a donkey. The donkey is a farm animal. It has 2 long ears and 4 legs. What's the sound? It's a goat. The goat is a farm animal. It has 4 legs. This is a rabbit. The rabbit has 2 long ears. It eats carrots. Now let's play a game. Choose the farm animal. Elephant or a cow? Cow is a farm animal. Excellent. Choose the rabbit or the giraffe. The rabbit is a farm animal. Yes. The horse or the lion? The horse is a farm animal. Let's play another game. Can you guess with me?